What are you doing, Pep? Are you sleeping? Why are you pulling a face? Why are you sleeping with both eyes open?